Hey everyone, and welcome back to CraftiWorks. Today we're exploring a fun and unique way to add some handmade charm to your cards with a simple embroidery technique. Get ready to create something special. First, we need to create our circle pattern. Using my needle, I'm carefully poking holes along the outline of a circle on the card. I'm leaving about 5-6 millimeters between each hole. If you're worried about poking through your work surface, place a piece of thick felt or a cutting mat underneath your card. Now let's thread our needle with the embroidery floss. Don't forget to knot the end of your floss. Now for the finishing touch. I'm adding a small drop of glue to the back of my heart cut out and placing it right in the center of the embroidered circle. You can use paper, felt, or even fabric for your heart. And there you have it, a beautiful and unique embroidered card. I love how the simple stitching creates such a striking design. This card is perfect for any occasion, birthdays, anniversaries, or just to show someone you care. Get creative with your card designs. Try using different colors of floss. Experiment with different shapes for the center, or even add some extra embellishments like beads or sequins.